Hey my internet friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can hide these like coming soon option, like coming soon like landing page. If you're using Bluehost hosting and you recently installed WordPress, then you will get like this type of option like coming soon landing page. So how we can remove this coming soon like button? Okay, how we can remove this? So if you want to remove this, you just need to go to your website admin panel, like log in your admin panel, and then you'll see here the top like coming soon active. Just simply click on this button, like this coming soon active button. Then you'll see like this type of interface, and here as you can see, welcome to your WordPress site, and here's some option like theme, plugin, services. So since we want to just live this website, so we just need to click on this like this button. So I already activate this option. So now, okay, so as you can see, when you click on that, then you'll see the launch your website. So you just need to click on this launch your website button. When you click on this launch this button, if I go to my browser again, and if I reload this tab, then you'll see the coming soon landing page is now removed. So if you want to again this if you want to turn on this coming soon option, so just click on this restore coming soon like this button. Okay, so if I go to again and if I reload this, then you'll see I again got my coming soon option or landing pages. So I'm not recommend you to do this. So I think that this is the best way to reactivate your website. Okay, so I hope guys now you understand, and if you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thank you.